Hey, I'm Chef Aaron Fish, and this is Fish Food, where we make tasty, approachable snacks. And today we're making New Belgium sweet and sour Baja avocado tacos. Let's make our batter. All right, so our batter consists of flour, baking powder and salt, some yellow mustard. Of course, we gotta put some of the sweet and sour in here. And then some of this New Belgium Voodoo Ranger. So it's equal parts. It's another cup of this to a cup of flour. So we're gonna go ahead and pour this in here. It's gonna seem really foamy. That's okay. I'm just gonna whisk it up. All right, so we got it all mixed up. This is the consistency you're looking for. It'll just pours slowly off of your whisk, okay? All right, let's fry some tacos. All right, we got our avocado in our batter. So I just did chunks of avocado. I used a spoon. You can cut it up whatever way you want. I just want them to, there's gonna be beer batter avocado for our tacos. So just make sure that it's nice and coated. And then the trick is to kind of hold it in there. Oh. Luckily, it doesn't stick. It's a little extra slippery because of the fat in the avocado. So you want your oil at 375. That's what I like to use when I do beer battered items because it's gonna help make it nice and crispy. All right, so let's plate our tacos. I'm gonna go ahead and just set up 3 of these guys. And put some chili sauce on here. These are obviously not traditional Baja style tacos at all. There's some shredded cabbage. Okay, and then we've got our fried avocado. So this batter actually also makes really great fish tacos, if you ever want to do that. And I'm gonna dust it with a little bit more of the sweet and sour, just to get some more of that flavor. And then finish it with some fresh cilantro. And some limes. Okay. All right, let's try this taco out, huh? This is a great taco. Oh my gosh. That crispiness and creaminess of that avocado. You've got that sweet and sour, so you get a little bit of sweet, a little bit of sour. I really think that beer, like the IPA, also helps kick up the notch of that beer flavor with the beer batter. Then you got the chili sauce, you get spicy again, and then that lime juice. Oh my gosh, this is a great taco. And that, ooh. There's one thing we can try on this. I can make it better. I think we should put some honey on it. Let's amp up that sweet and sour. Now, that's delicious fish food.